Hi everyone, my name is Jessica McGrail. I am currently a behavior support teacher, or as many people call, a board certified behavior analyst, BCBA, for the Shawnee Mission School District in Shawnee Mission, Kansas, in the Kansas City area. Um, I currently work in pre-K, so I support early learners from 3 to 5. But my past history has been in self-contained autism classrooms prior to becoming a behavior support teacher. But I also did a year in fourth grade, and so I feel like that my background has a very big diversity, but very specific in special education, which is why I'm seeking this degree. I am looking to become a special education coordinator, and eventually I would like to become a special education director for a school district, which is why I'm seeking this degree. But I'm hoping that I can start my experience as becoming a building principal on my way up to a special education coordinator. So that's how my background supports why I want to get this degree. I feel that because I have such a diverse background and that I have seen so many different parts, from general education to resource teacher to special education teacher to now as a consultant, I have so many different experiences that I think that it is helpful when I'm looking to become a leader within a building and a leader within a district, which is ultimately what I want to do. So my strengths and weaknesses with regards to school finance, um, my district right now is so incredibly big that they have specific people that deal with all of those situations. And so when I am at the point where if I would ever need any money, or I need to get some uh, money or reimbursement for a conference or something, all I do is submit a lot of things. And as building principals within our district, they have one account that they have access to, but it's very minimal money. And most of the time, all they do is say that I need to have X, Y, and Z, and someone at the district level will purchase it for them, or they have to submit a request for approval, and then once they're approved, then that's when they get the whatever they need. So, as a experience goes, it's hard for me to say that I have a lot of experience with finance, but prior to that, in my other districts, I did have experience with a small budget from parents and PTA members that I had, and checks and balances as far as that goes. So I feel that this class is going to be a huge learning experience for me, so I'm super excited about that. And I'm thinking that this is something that I haven't had a ton of learning in, so I'm excited for that. Um, I don't really have a whole lot of other information to share. I do have a son. He's 18 months old and keeps me on my toes. So I love the little ones. So that's important to me. I can't wait to get started, and excited to meet everyone and see how different our backgrounds are.